So I'm about to head out to Sedona tomorrow. Felt like I probably should take a hike, do a quick video, test out all of this new gear that I got for it. So here's the setup that I'm currently going to be shooting with. I'm shooting on a Sony a6500. I have a Sigma 24-70. On top of that, I have a Polar Pro Pmvnd Filter 2 to 5 stop. On top, I have this mirror that reflects the LCD screen so that I'm able to line up my shots. And then on top of that, I have the Rode Micro. Check it out. I got new boots. New boots. So I got this new bag off of Amazon. Stylistically, I think it looks pretty cool, but I don't think I can recommend it. It's just way too flimsy. I mean, it carries everything that I need. You know, it has my drone, GoPro, and then I put my main camera up in here, but it's just way too flimsy.